In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools tree manager. This tool allows you to sort components of the assembly tree, how to show components according to criteria, change color, or suppress components within your assembly. First, we want to activate our tool. Go to Tools, myCAD Utility Tools, Tree Manager. On the left, you can see a menu with the available features. First, I'm going to activate Sort Components. From here, you can sort the manager tree. In this case, I'm going to sort it ascending from A to Z. And I'm going to click Sort. Once the operation is complete, you can see the components of my Feature Manager design tree have been sorted alphabetically. Another useful tool is Hide or Show. You can use this tool to hide and show certain components. In this case, I want to hide according to certain properties. So go to Hide, select according to properties, and then click Add. Now, I want all components that meet certain criteria to be hidden. So first I'm going to select All and change my property to document name. Condition will be contains, and my value will be pump. Then I click Add, and my second property will be part mass. My condition will be smaller than, and my value will be 0.02. This basically means all the components with file names that contain pump or have a mass smaller than 0.02 kilograms will be hidden. Click OK, then select Hide. Once the operation is complete, you can see in my Feature Manager tree that a lot of these components have been hidden. Also, you can use the Tree Manager to suppress or unsuppress certain components, or even change the color of components. Thank you for watching.